Police long lay Holimol Medeng Travelman. Heavy long marijuana na pasin rape go bigla long Kerema. Na all refugee kisim tokorait long stop sindown long Papua New Guinea. Here now I'm all MTV National News headline long talk pisin. Police long lay iholim pasim 3+ suspect oli tok emol troubleman ibagarapi 1+ sign businessman long Medeng. Disto biruay kamap long Medeng emi kamap long ay long public na all security camera. Police itok ol disto man ibin ready long karimaut 1+ hold up long 1+ big plus supermarket long Eriku time police iholimol. Pasin blong height na sali marijuana o spark bruise na pasin blong rape o bagarapi mol Mary iwok long go bigla long Malalawa district long Kerema. All policeman long Malalawa itokim MTV o se moli nogat car o boat long patrol na holim olman nogut. All policeman itok oli wari long report ikamap o sem height na sali marijuana na pasin rape iwok long go bigla.
Now Malalawa firstly mipla nogat car moto na dingi because mipla time all villages along the coast river along the rivers na mipla in short through lo lislol kan web lo transporter look lo place land side lo law and order sometimes arrest him all attend him all complaints lo coast along the rivers MC Hard Street lo mipla side block car too round lo road checky road attend him all complaints and big plus something no got car.
Life long people long Central Province by Sen is close to time walk long 1+ new plus Central Province house sick by go ahead. Central Provincial Governor Kila Hauda itok plan long house sick istapinis na ikisim tokorait long Central Provincial Government. Mr. Hauda itok groundwork by kirap na walk by Ron inside long display year yet. Display house sick by Senap long place Bautama outside long Mosby City. Something also 450 refugee ikisim tokorait pinis long stop sin down inside long Papua New Guinea. All display refugee now is stop long Manus Regional Processing Center. All by stop long hap in up government ipani walk long all long lay Medeng na Port Moresby. Ani need long talk one bell na long Australia na PNG or line usati true refugee by no inap go sin down long Australia. Nogat all by sin down long Papua New Guinea or Narapla country. Deputy Chief Migration Officer Esther Gaigaming itok government I walk long walk boom one time recruitment company JDA Walkman long piny walk long all display refugee.
On for a while, and to date we have 450 plus who have had their final determination. Some of those are non-refugees, which Papua New Guinea will have to send back, but 400 plus are refugees who under the arrangement, Papua New Guinea is accepted to settle them in our country, and therefore, as you know, the policy has already made provision for settlement, but that's only when the refugees have employment in Papua New Guinea. And so immigration has partnered with JDA Walkman and others to secure employment for this.
Now long sports news today. PNG Kumul Wellington Albert ikisim Luke Save long stop inside long Penrith Panthers team usad by Brooklyn Boone one time all SP PNG Hunters long display weekend ikam. Team long Panthers by kamap long Mosby long Friday display week long pilay against all Hunters long Opim National Football Stadium. All work contract go out pinis long building all sports pilay place long Kimbe West New Britain long number 7 PNG Games. The sole organizing committee na PNG Sports Foundation it dino to clear yet long Hamas sport by stop inside long display games. PNGSF itok big plus challenge long Kimbe and long lookout in walkabout na stop long ogat a provincial team. The sole suppose he got one number long all sport all by Pilay by yemi isi mo long stiayim ron long Kimbe games. The sole National MTV News headline long talk pisin long yumi long today. Looking you long one kind time long tomorrow night. Good night.